Assalamualaikum. I hope you are doing well. And in the second lecture of Pakistan Affairs series, we will be talking about Arab decline and Hindu revival, dated between 750 and 1030 after date. So let's discuss the important MCQs of this era. What happened to the Arab rule in India after the death of Muhammad bin Qasim? Answer is it the Umayyads and continued nominal rule in Sindh. So it was Abbasids. After the Umayyads, Abbasids replaced basically Umayyads, and the nominal rule in the Sindh was of Abbasids. Abbasid dynasty, Abbas dynasty, or in other words, the Arab rule in the Sindh after Muhammad bin Qasim remained limited mostly to lower Sindh only or southern Sindh. After the Arab decline, which local Hindu dynasty regained power in North India, Hindu Shahi. The capital of Hindu Shahi rulers was located at Peshawar, which region remained under weak Arab control till about 1025 after that, so it was Sindh area. Which factor contributed most to the decline of Arab rule in the subcontinent? So the right answer is both B and C, which is the lack of support from Baghdad, because basically Baghdad was very far away फ्रॉम सिंध, काफ़ी दूर था, बहुत ज़्यादा फासला था सिंध से बगदाद का, तो उनकी एक कह सकते हैं कि कंटिन्यूस सपोर्ट नहीं थी इसको, और जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पर जो था उनका एक रूल भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा वीक था. दूसरी क्या रीज़न थी डिक्लाइन ऑफ उमैयद डायनेस्टी. उमैयद डायनेस्टी जो थी वो उसका डिक्लाइन हो गया था और उनको अब्बासी खलीफा ने रिप्लेस कर दिया था. डिस्पाइट पॉलिटिकल डिक्लाइन, Islam spread in the Sindh mainly through. So the right answer is Sufi saints and traders के through. What marked the end of Arab political influence in India? So the right answer is rise of Ghaznavids under Mahmud Ghaznavi. Right? तो जब महमूद गजनवी ने जो आकर उसको फतह किया था, तो उनका जो नॉमिनल रूल भी जो था वो ख़त्म हो गया था. In the post-Qasim period, basically it's about Muhammad bin Qasim, which local tribe often resisted Arab rule in Sindh. So the local tribe was Jats. Set 2 of the MCQs about Arab decline and Hindu revival. Which foreign power replaced the Umayyad Caliphate in 750 after date? So it was Abbasids. The Arab rulers in Sindh after 750 AD ruled under the nominal authority of Baghdad. Basically, Baghdad was the capital of Arabs. The weakening of Arab control in Sindh gave rise to regional autonomy and local rulers in Sindh. Which major Islamic achievement continued in Sindh even after the political decline? Spread of Islam through Sufi missionaries. The Hindu Shahi dynasty was primarily located in Afghanistan and Punjab region, right? Because we have said कि उनका जो capital था हिंदू शाही का वो पेशावर था, so we can say Afghanistan and Punjab region. The last Hindu Shahi ruler was Jaipal, because महमूद गजनवी की जो थी जंग वो हुई थी जयपाल के साथ. When Arab officer led one of the last effective campaign in Sindh after Qasim. Which Arab officer? So it was Junaid bin Abdul Rahman. Which region mentioned a Muslim stronghold in India after 750 after date? So Multan area. The Hindu Shahi dynasty came to an end due to invasion of Mahmud of Ghazni. तो इसको भी हम थोड़ा डिटेल में भी देखते हैं कि डिक्लाइन के बाद क्या हुआ था ऊपर वाली स्लाइड्स में. Which of the following statement is true about Arab rule in Sindh post 750 after date? So the right answer here is it slowly weakened and became limited. So that was some MCQs, that were some important MCQs about decline of Arabs. And in the next lecture we will talk about the rise of Ghaznavids